Okay, so nut and bolt construction. First, we're going to start with nut. God, that sounded awful. Okay, jokes aside, let's start. So, this is your formula sheet. Just remember this. You're not going to get this in the exam. Or at least I don't think you will. You never know. So, they're asking me to draw an M18 nut. Okay. So, first thing I'm going to do, you can start whatever you want. This is what I like to do. I'm going to find the outside length, which is this one here. There, down there. You can see where my thingy is. Okay. You need your calculator for this. So, if you don't bring a calculator, just assume that it's chai. So, to find this, 1.5 times M18. So, times 18. That gives you 27. Now you divide that by 2 because you want to find your radius, not your diameter. Okay, 13.5. So I'm going to draw a circle with the radius of 13.5. Okay, now I'm going to find the inside one. Calculation for that is 0.8 times m, which in this case is 18. So 0.8 times 18 is equal to 14,4, which is 7,2. So I'm going to draw another circle starting in the same place. 7,2. Okay, now I'm going to draw the outside of it, these things. Okay, I hope you all know what a tangent is. I personally dropped math core. Okay, what you're going to do, don't follow me what I'm doing here, because just construct a hexagon. It's simple. So, there, I've got my one side. Don't ignore the length, okay? Hexagons are always 30 degrees. So, that. I'm going to make a tangent. That's not right. Hold on. There. Okay. That is the tangent to that. There. Do the same thing for all of the sides. It does become easier once you get one of them. No, that's right. Okay. Done that side. Now, let me just finish this side. Okay, now I need to do the other side. I'm basically just going to copy this over. Is that even correct? Yeah, it is. Okay. 30 degrees. Cancel that, cancel that. One last time. 30 degrees. Okay, there you have your basic shape. Now you want to find this, which is basically telling you what type of threading it is. Okay, so in this scenario, if it's on the outside, okay, it's threaded internally. If it's on the inside, it's threaded externally. That's how you know. Okay, you really only get internals on nuts and externals on bolts. It's really, I haven't seen them do that before, do anything else besides that before. Okay, to find the length of, well, the radius of the thread, 0,1 times 0,8. I mean 0,1 times 18, my bad. Okay, that gives us 1,8. Divide that by 2, you get 0,9. So, what? That is not right. Hold on. I'm puzzling now. Okay, yeah, no, it's none. Okay, you can draw your break. Doesn't matter how you do it. usually draw on the top right. No. Okay, when you do this, you want to make sure that it's in final lines, except for the thread. So, match properties. You don't have to worry about this if you're not running on AutoCAD. Okay, that is the top view. Done. Now, the side view. Okay, I'm just going to bring this down so I can get it aligned. Let's see, 20. Oh, God. They will usually say what faces they want you to show, and that just tells you. So if they don't want you to show 2 faces, they'll tell you to show 3 faces, and you just rotate it and draw it down. So let's actually just do 3 faces for the fun of it, because that's usually what they ask. Okay, bring it down. You don't have to bring it down though, okay? Just mark off all these points. Okay, now you need to find the height of the bolt. I mean the nut, my bad. Okay. It's also 0,8 times m, which is 18. This time you don't have to divide it by 2. You don't have to divide it by 2. Okay. So it's 14,4. So I'm going to go down 14,4. Okay. Simple. I'm going to bring it up to make it neater. Okay. So what you do now, okay, make sure you're using 30 degrees. Okay. I'm going to go down like that. I'm going to go down at each point, except for the middle one. Okay. Down again. 30 degrees. Down again. 30 degrees. That was not 30 degrees. That was. Okay. You take your compass. I'm just going to connect these 2 points. Do that. Okay. You take a compass again. Do it for this side. Then you are going to bring this point further down. Construction lines though, eh? Remember that. And extend this. Now you are going to bring it up from there, like that. Okay. Now you can, well, hopefully if you've done this in construction, you'll be fine for now, but me personally, I'm not fine. I'm just going to clear this up quickly. Give me a minute. Now, these lines they're gone. So are these, gone. And this one as well. That one, gone. And that is a nut. In a nutshell. Pun intended. Okay, I'm just going to draw this in the final. Okay. That's your nut. Done. Except you're not done yet. Psyche thoughts. Okay. I'm gonna go back to this point. Okay. I'm gonna go up 30 degrees. I'm gonna go up 30 degrees. And cancel that out. You don't actually remove that whole line. You draw a 30-degree line first. And that is a nut. In a nutshell. Pun intended again. I'm too funny. But you still do remove these ones. It may not line up now, but that's because it's AutoCAD. It's not an exact method. Like, nothing's to the point. Exact point. But, yeah. Okay. That is a nut. Okay, so, bolts. Pretty much the exact same construction for this part. So, they ask us to draw an M18. So, this length here, the outside line there, is 18. I mean, that's the diameter. So you're going to do 9. Okay. Now, you're going to find 0,1 times 18, which is equal to 1,8. So now you're going to do 9 minus 1,8. That's going to give you 7,2. So, 7,2. Okay. And this one, that is your thread, remember. And that is the head of the bolt. Okay. So, that there, actually wait, I'll get to that now. Okay. So, they have asked us, once again, I'm going to rotate it this time to make it, actually no I'm not, because I'm going to do it down. Okay. So, now we draw the head of the bolt, the entire bolt itself from the side. I'm going to just draw this down. Draw this down. Draw this down. Draw this down. Draw that across. Okay, so this time 0,7. So 0,7 times 18, which is 12,6. So there to there. Done that. Just gonna erase these lines. Erase these lines. Okay. Almost exactly the same. So you're going to do the exact same thing as you would for a nut. Bring it down 30 degrees. Down 30 degrees. Down 30 degrees. Down 30 degrees. Okay. Actually, why am I doing that? Okay. Gonna draw up your line there. Okay. Now you're gonna do this to there. Why is it doing this? To there. Same on this side. You can start here. Go there. Gonna go there to there. Don't know why it's going inside. What's going on there? Something's wrong here. Hold on. Oh no, it's so minor. You don't even notice it. That's why. Okay. Now gonna extend this line. Let me just clean this up first. Okay, I'm gonna extend this out. Need to extend this first. Okay, and that is that point there. Boom. Okay. Okay, so now you are going to bring this part down like that. Like that. Okay. They will give you the length of the bolt usually, but let's just say our length would be, let's say 50. No, wait, 30. Okay, they'll give you that length there first. What you're gonna do is do this. Okay. So bring those lines down. Okay. Now, just do this. They'll give you another length. So let's say this one, our length here, will be, say 20. Okay. 20. Now you're going to bring the thread length down, like this. Okay. Just going to bring the thread down, like this. Okay. Just going to call this, remove this. Okay. So, now, this is what you're going to do. So, going to go up 60 degrees. I mean, the bottom is always 45 degrees. So the thread is always 45. Go across 45. Okay. I'm going to remove these lines. Okay. Now, the top part of it is always 60 degrees. So, 60, 60. Okay. Clean that, clean that. Okay. Now, we're going to darken this whole thing. As properties. There. And that there is your bolt. Very simple.